is the first time we are looking on possibility to collaborate between Brunel University London and International School of Medicine in Kyrgyzstan. We are looking on a variety of possible ways of collaboration. We will start with potential ways how we can accept some master students, but once we start to know each other better, once we start to know the level of PhD students better, so we will start to have a look on the way how we can extend this collaboration to the level of PhDs, to the level of international research, interdisciplinary collaboration. So knowing each other better on different levels of students will open up for us a lot of opportunities on how and possible ways how we can collaborate in the future. Well, nowadays, if you have a look on public health students, considering that they would be not on focusing on one country, they need to be aware not only about the systems, the techniques and methodologies which has been lined up in one country, but they need to look on international standards of different healthcare organizations and making sure that this knowledge has been intertransmittable between different countries. This would allow us not only to improve the healthcare in particular country via the knowledge transfer, but also it will allow us to enhance the different practices and consider from the problem from completely different point of view that may not be considered before. So widening the scope, looking on healthcare not only from perspective of one country, will allow students to be thinking on how to improve and utilize healthcare practices slightly wider and in more effective way. We started already to look on potential first steps, how we can collaborate, and what we will start. We will start on collaboration on exchange of master students first. This will allow the students who get the primary education in Kyrgyzstan come and have a look and study on public healthcare masters and in UK. This will allow them to understand not only the public healthcare core specialties that has been delivered in Kyrgyzstan, but also will be extended to look on different more advanced systems, but looking a little bit more at internationalization of these approaches, simply because in Brunel University London, our position and nature of our population, it has far more significantly higher level of internationalization and blending the students across the globe and exchanging their experiences in public health on the top of courses which is comes will enhance significantly their prospectus of vision and quality of preparation for specialists in public healthcare.